Hey everyone, if you want to deploy projects automatically and take advantage of Vercel's powerful hosting features, connecting GitHub to Vercel is the first step. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Vercel from start to finish in 2026. First, make sure you have both a GitHub account and a Vercel account. If you don't have one yet, create the accounts and sign in before continuing. Next, upload your project to a GitHub repository. Vercel uses GitHub repositories to access your source code and automate deployments. Once your project is available on GitHub, visit the Vercel dashboard and sign in to your account. After logging in, click Add New Project or Import Project. Vercel will ask you to connect a Git provider if one is not already linked. Choose GitHub from the list of available providers. Vercel will redirect you to GitHub and request authorization. Carefully review the permissions being requested. Vercel needs access to your repositories so it can import code and trigger deployments when updates are pushed. Click Authorize Vercel to continue. Depending on your preferences, you can grant access to all repositories or only selected repositories. Before launching your project publicly, review deployment settings, environment variables, and domain configuration to ensure everything is configured correctly. And that's how to connect GitHub to Vercel in 2026. With GitHub integration and automatic deployments, you can streamline your workflow and publish updates much faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.